This is the Connoisseurs Fine Jewelry Cleaner. This works great on gold jewelry, diamonds, and precious gemstones. The instructions are written on the back and very easy to follow. There's a dip tray inside, which you'll see here. And so you simply take one piece of jewelry at a time and you put it into that dip tray. But first, I just want to give you a preview of what my ring looks like before we clean it. It is very dingy and dirty. It's become very dull. And so I want to show you the difference after we use this cleaner. So now I'll simply place it inside the dip tray and immerse the dip tray into the solution for at least 30 seconds. At the end of that time, you'll lift the dip tray and take the piece of jewelry out, and then there's a little brush here, which is really handy, and then you'll want to just start lightly brushing all the different crevices and the outside surface and the inside surface of the ring, and just take a few minutes to just brush it really, really well. Then rinse it off under lukewarm water and dry it with a lint-free cloth. As you can see, now my ring looks 1,000 times better. It's been restored to its former glory. It's shiny and beautiful. So if you need to clean some jewelry, I highly recommend this product. It works really well.